Watch what I'm gonna create with all this leftover paint. I got a screw tool, same one that I use for swiping. And I have cottage cheese. Nothing in there. I'm just gonna scrape along the bottoms like this. You wanna make sure that you have a thick plastic drape because you don't wanna put any holes in this and then it gets on your table. All that paint that ended up on the drape created this badass, like metallic, bluish gray color. And this is what we're gonna do, okay? Put that aside, grab another plastic container. Now, you don't know what debris might have ended up here on the drape, so you are going to strain it and make sure that everything comes out. Look at that color that it created. Perfect for a base paint for a swipe. So now let's have some fun and create something really cool. All right, this is an 18 by 18 inch canvas. And here's this awesome bluish gray color that I'm gonna use as a base paint. All right. Might be a little extra bubbles in it, but I'm gonna go ahead and pour this down. I don't have a solid plan as to what I'm gonna do just yet, but I don't always need one either. So you also wanna make sure that, if you're using base paint, that it's enough to cover whatever size canvas you're using. And I measured this. This was almost, it was around 20-ish ounces of paint, which will fill up this entire canvas as a base paint. In addition, I have all these colors that are left over from my last painting. Okay, and these is all blues. So what I'm thinking I'm gonna do is a swipe. I know that these paints at these specific colors are not very dense, so they will work with a swipe. All right, so how shall I do it? How shall I do it? Okay, I got plenty of purple. I got plenty of all of it, to be honest, enough to do a swipe. All right, so what I'm gonna do is, let's start off with, how about this one? This is bright, kind of like a very light icy blue turquoise color. All right, and I have a giant swipe tool right here, and that should be enough to cover the entire area. All right, this is my cell activator that I mix myself, and you can find this on my website, manolimotion.com. Okay, now with the swiping, the white is gonna be a lot more dense than the black, okay? So when I swipe, I want the white to end up right here so that it goes over and through the black that I'm gonna add. You really don't need too much. A little bit of cell activator goes a really long way. So remember, this is all leftover paint. This is base paint that was saved. Let's see if we can create something cool. Okay, and you know what? I'm gonna do one more little swipe right there. I'm just gonna do black. Because that is so cool. I think I might want to do another one just right there. And I have some colors I could do it with. Start right here. Just a little bit, not much. I think I just kind of like the black cell activator for this one. The white cell activator might be too dense for this one. But I mean, the cells still turned out pretty cool. All right, let's do it again. Nice. Very, very nice. I like that. Gosh, do I want another line like this? Why not? The purple looks great with it. And I have so much purple. Why not? I'm not crazy about that. So you know what? I'm just going to go right over it. All right, what is that? I don't like that. No, 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 no. Let's cover that up. There's a part you don't like that you didn't swipe over. Get a smaller tool, swipe right over it. So I was debating wrecking this with a marble, but nah, it might be too much going on. So I'm just going to go ahead and spread. Remember, nice and slow when tilting. And here is the final result of a painting created using leftover paints. So this is a waste of paint, correct? Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, comments, feedback, or Christmas cookies, please post it all in the comment section. Thank you so much. Bye.